Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to run persistence so that you can be coming back time and time again. So you wreak havoc on that victim machine that you already have or you have access to. So whenever they reboot their computer, it won't affect you. You'll always get a session back. So here we are. As you can see, this machine of mine is an XP machine. System info. So it is an XP machine. Yeah. And it is in a domain, which is Sigma, as you can see there. We have 2 users logged in. So what you'll do is to run persistence, persistence -h, okay, for help. So it will show you all the commands or the switches that you can use, and you'll select whichever switch you feel suitable for you. So whenever this victim machine boots, you can use -x to get a connection back, or -q switch. So these are switches. So if you choose this one, whenever the user logs into that specific user account that you have your persistence running, you'll always get a session back. Okay, and we have X here. It automatically starts the agent when the system boots. So let's try the 2 and see what we'll get. Okay, so instead of typing this, let's start with A. This will automatically connect to a multi-handler. So A, then we enter -L. The L switch, as you can see from the help menu here, is the location in the target host to write your payload. If none, it will be sent to temporarily. Okay, but you can enter C for colon this. So that is where it will be located. Then -X for reboot. Whenever the machine boots, you will get a connection back. Okay, then another -I. I is the time. I, time it to take for a connection, for you to get a connection. If you have 30 seconds, well, let's try even instead of 30, let's say 5. Then P, this is the port it will connect to, 443. Then another switch, R. This is our IP address, 192.168.2.2. okay, so now you can hit enter. So we'll see if this works, and if it does, you'll actually get a session. It will spawn a session for us. Okay, so we have another session, so it has worked. So we'll go to background, say instead of background, we can just go back, say exit. Okay, this is where we are. Okay, so before this, let me select the session, see the sessions that we have. Sorry, so we have session 9. So session I 9. Yeah, reboot. Yeah, rebooting the machine. So you can see this XP machine will shut down. Okay, let's wait and see what we'll have, if these will spawn a response, open a session on our hacking machine here. Okay, we are logging in. So we are in our user account. Okay, as you can see here, we have a session created. Okay, and probably it will pop up in this user account to indicate to the user that the computer wants to connect to a remote machine somewhere, although this one has shown nothing. Okay, so they see nothing on their screen, but you always connect and have the machine whenever you want. Yeah, so as you can see, let's check the sessions. We have session 10. You can as well reboot this machine and do whatever havoc you want on this remote machine. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel for many more on hacking things, hacking only. See you next time.